I'm Shazia from Kanachur.
Hi, myself Vinuta. I'm from KVGMC Surya.
Hi, myself Swaroop from KVGMC Surya.
Hi, I'm Akanksha. I'm from KVG Medical College.
KG Medical College.
Hi, I'm Shreyank from KIMS.
KMC. Hi, I'm Rachna from Srinivas Medical College.
I'm Prithvi.
Is a student of KIMS, kind of like that. And in your mobile, the color options will come. 30 seconds time you are given, you can press the whichever you think is right, no negative marks. So you can press, that fear of losing marks is not there. What the computer does is, and we have a dummy, one dummy player has to be there from, I'll tell, one dummy, so that it will go for 30 seconds. Sometimes get participation certificates, our teams will see, because I prepared certificates for 50 teams, 66 are there. First KMC 1, whatever code they have given you, at our man will, the pin will, 5 minutes time is there, please get, and then the number of teams which are, one dummy wanted, one intern should sit as a dummy. Okay. Which class of drugs has been linked to hip fractures? Benzodiazepines, opiates, ACE, beta blockers. Which class of drugs has been implicated with the increased frequency of hip fracture in the elderly? You have cerebrovascular disease, you have COPD, you have ischemic heart disease. So diseases which are more common in women compared to men. Among the options, how many have answered, Gautam? 35. So we are not having time for the audience because 10 seconds left. Please don't discuss, because see, discuss only. Okay, so the answer is ischemic heart disease. How many have answered correctly? 27 answered correctly. IHT. Oh, so it keeps on fluctuating. Question number 5 on the screen for you. Following characteristics of the murmur makes tricuspid regurgitation more likely than mitral regurgitation. Decreased intensity with amyl nitrate, prominent CV wave in the jugular pulse, onset signaled by a mid-systolic click, wide splitting of the second heart sound. So what is the one which helps you to make it, to categorize that murmur of TR or other that thing? So how many have answered? 37 have answered. 5 seconds left, 4 seconds left, 2 seconds left. Okay, so what's the answer? Option B, prominent CV wave in the jugular pulse. 25 answered, and the leaderboard? Yes. Okay.
Top team has stayed the same.
Top team has remained the same. Kanachur, one of the teams. 6th question on the screen for you. Hemolytic uremic syndrome, paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, thrombocytopenic purpura. So in this, what is the correct answer? So how many are there with the answers? 35. We have not had a situation where all the 60 have answered. So, okay, no problem. Time up. So, what's the option? Paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria. So, 14 have answered correctly. Leaderboard? KIMS, okay. Question number 12 on the screen for you. Most likely finding of dry bone marrow aspiration would be seen in chronic myeloid leukemia, metastatic carcinoma infiltration, myelofibrosis, normal bone marrow. Dry bone marrow aspiration, where will you get it? So how many have answered correctly? So what's the position? So it is a metastatic infiltration. And only 2, my God. But myelofibrosis, at least somebody, I think, they tried, I think. Okay, no problem. So leaderboard, Pritham? Unchanged. Top is unchanged.
KMC 1 and KMC has come to second.
Yeah, KMC has come to second. Question number 13 on the screen for you. Most common cause of native valve infective endocarditis, community acquired. Coagulus negative staph, coagulus positive staph, enterococci, non-enterococcal streptococcus. Most common cause of native valve endocarditis. Question number 14 on the following antibiotics most inhibit the cell wall synthesis: Cipro, metronidazole, rifampin, Clinda, tobramycin, linezolid, vancomycin, penicillin. So among these options, what is the correct answer inhibiting cell wall synthesis? We'll see how many have answered correctly. Oh, quite a lot of them have answered correctly, no? 42, very good. The last option, option 4, was correct. Vancomycin, penicillin. 15, question number 15. Following biochemical test distinguish staph aureus from staph epidermis. You have catalase, you have coagulase, you have lactose fermentation, urease. Biochemistry. You thought biochemistry is over, but the biochemistry is still there with you. Microwave. Seconds left, 2 seconds. Yes, over. Coagulase. How many have answered coagulase? One, lot of them, huh? 32. Good. So leaderboard KMC virus, colitis. You have colonoscopy with the biopsy, serum CMV polymerase chain PCR, stool CMV antigen, and stool CMV culture. Cytomegalovirus. What's the correct colitis? What's the correct diagnosis? Investigation. I would request the volunteers to be up at around 45 questions. We'll know who is the top 5. Yes? So what's the answer? First option. Answered correctly. Colonoscopy with biopsy and KMC. Yes.
Manipal, complete rotation of the knee.
Yes.
Case unchanged.
Yes. Top. Next 4. Question number 17 on the screen for you. Sarcoma. So here I think quite a few people should get 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Yes, time up. And the answer is the first option, hairy leukoplakia. Right? Yes, okay, fine. So 19 have answered correctly. Leaderboard in the top, same, otherwise, yeah. 18th question on the screen for you. Patient has dyspnea, he has palpitations and on walking, palpitations and walking, and then also that resolves at rest. NYHA 1, 2, 3, 4. In this situation, what is the New York Heart Association class? 1, 2, 3, 4. So where are we? 52. So 52 have answered and we'll see. Time up. So it's 3. How many have answered 3? 28. Good. Leaderboard unchained. Yes. On the 2 and 3. Okay, question number 19 on the screen for you. Following occupational diseases are matched correctly except bicyanosis with cotton milling, farmer's lung with moldy hay, progressive massive fibrosis in shipyard workers, metal fume fever with welding. So what is the correct matching thing? What is the thing which is not matching among the 4? Don't discuss among yourself. Don't allow it to go out. Then you will be loser. That's all. Over, time is running out. And how many have? 46 have answered. What's the one which is not matching in this? Okay. So, progressive massive fibrosis does not happen in shipyard workers. Leaderboard, same. Question number 20 on the screen for you. Most common cause of diffuse bronchiectasis worldwide: cystic fibrosis, Mycobacterium avium, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and rheumatoid arthritis. So most common cause of diffuse bronchiectasis all over the world. So 16 seconds left, 15 seconds left, 14 seconds. 47 have answered, rightly or wrongly, we don't know, but they've answered. 52, time ticking away, 6 seconds. Yes. Answer. So, what is it? Tuberculosis is the most common mycobacterium. 24 have answered correctly. More should have answered. Change in the leaderboard. KMC has jumped up. KMC Manipal. Team 9 and 10. Manipal, team 9 and 10. Very good. Question number 21 on the screen for you. In stage 5 CKD, glomerular filtration rate 25 ml, 15 ml, 5 ml, 18 ml. Stage 5 CKD. How many answered? 52. 60 should answer, then I'll pass it to audience. I think 60 have not come yet. 57. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds. CKD, stage 5. So that is 15 ml. 39 have answered. Good. CKD, stage 5, 15 ml. We have the KMC Manipal. Short up. Team 1.
KIMS has dropped to second and KMC.
Yes. So that's the position, the latest thing. We go on to question number 22. Pain associated with the urinary tract infection is usually due to, number 1, compensatory natriuresis, decreased medullary blood flow, increased renal blood flow, and vasodilatory prostaglandins. So pain associated UTI. What's the correct answer? So people behind have to stand up and see. Allah, sorry, but no problem. Time is running out, and yes, increase. Oh, quite a lot of people have. Illa. Only one. Sorry, state. Increase renal blood flow. Question. So this is a fight between one KIMS team and one KMC team. Yes, we'll watch the fight. Question number 23. Cobalamin malabsorption can occur in all of the following except: 1 is bacterial overgrowth, number 2 is chronic pancreatitis, number 3 is Crohn's disease, number 4 is ulcerative colitis. Cobalamin malabsorption in among all these. Mobiles can be kept in silent mode, I think. Yes, 12 seconds left. Right, 6, 7, 5, timing. So, all ulcerative colitis. How many answered correctly? 30 odd. 33. Yes? Any change? No. Leads. Question number 24, almost halfway through the question. How many are correct there? 55. Yes. 60. Okay, audience, okay, so time up. Lactobacillus, 52 have answered correctly, very good. Midway through the quiz, where are we? Not midway, one more question is. KIMS is already in short up. So Manipal, yes, rotation, good. The 25th question, halfway through the quiz. Daily alcohol intake for women associated at risk of chronic liver disease. 1 drink per day, 2 drinks, 3 drinks, 4 drinks. So ladies should drink how much to develop alcoholic liver disease? Can ladies drink? Of course. Now will start shouting at me. Gender equality. Okay. Where are we? 5 seconds. 58. Yes. Time up. So the thing is, 2 drinks. So 1 drink you can have, I think. All these options. How many? 16 seconds, 32 answered. 15 seconds, 12 seconds, 11, 52. All 60, time up. So it's SVC obstruction. 42 have answered correctly. Leaderboard? Same. Unchanged. Question number 47 on the screen for you. Asymptomatic male from North Africa. Identify this image. Is it syphilis? Is it Yaws? Is it paronychia? Is it cutaneous leishmaniasis? '50 have answered. So, yeah. 6 seconds left, 2 left to answer. And time up. So what's the answer? Cutaneous leishmaniasis. And how many? 47. Very good, very good. Unchanged position of the leaderboard? Yes, unchanged. Question number 48. Patient with 2 days history of fever, sore throat, then arthralgia and suboccipital lymphadenopathy. Diagnosis. Timothy Ray Brown, Jean-Claude Roman, then Christopher D. Edward William Pratchett. So among these options, which is the one which is correct? He's a history question. He's a patient with informs who recovered from stem cell transplantation.
From HIV.
HIV. Recovered from HIV following stem cell. Thank you for the information. My information computer. So very famous patient. All of us should know. Yes. Time up. 13 have answered correctly. First option, Timothy Ray Brown. Berlin patient. Yes. Yeah, scores will be shown now. Scores will be shown now. Please be sharp when you are. So third place, KIMS. Second place, first place. And second. Second. Team 2, second place. Third place. So that is a position. And 4 and 5. We want to know the 4 and 5. Warmly, on behalf of the Department of General Medicine and the Kanachur fraternity. 4, 5. 4 is KIMS MP2. You can take that from him. MP2. And you take a screenshot. In absence, I would like to welcome our beloved director, Mr. Abdul Rahman, who is busy with the NABH inspection. We thank him for all the support he has given to the Department of General Medicine. Professor Dr. Muhammad Ismail, Chairman of the Kanachur Health Sciences Advisory Committee. He is a renowned physician from Mangalore and an encyclopedia in medicine. We would like to warmly welcome you, sir, to this prize distribution ceremony. Our Dean, beloved Dean, Professor Dr. Shan Abbas Manipadi, young and energetic and ever encouraging Dean. Thank you. Welcome you, sir. Professor Dr. M.V. Prabhu, He is a member of the Kanachur Health Sciences Advisory Committee, source of inspiration, encouragement to all of us. We welcome you, sir. I would briefly go through the KIMS quizzes. This is the 4th edition of the Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences UG quiz. This quiz has been successfully conducted down the last 4 years. In the first year, it was the KVG Sulya which won the first prize. In the second year, it was KMC Manipal which won the first prize. And this year, of course, the third year, it was the Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences which won the first prize. This year, as many as 60 teams from undivided Dakshina Kannada. Of course, this is a state level quiz, but I think it may take some more time for the people outside the district, undivided Dakshina Kannada district, to participate in the quiz. 60 teams, because there is no limitation of the teams, number of teams. Any number of teams can participate. 60 teams from KMC Manipal, which participated with full strength, 10 teams. I would like to congratulate or thank Professor Dr. Mukhya Prana Prabhu for sending 10 teams. In fact, they sent with a vehicle. KMC Manipal. Then we had, of course, our own Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences. As many as 33 teams have participated. I thank all of you for having participated wholeheartedly. Then we had teams from Srinivas Institute of Medical Sciences. I would like to thank the HOD of Srinivas, that is Anita, Professor Dr. Anita Mary Sikwera. She has sent 6 teams to participate. Then we had the teams from KVG Sulya. I would like to thank the HOD, Dr. Prakash. I think there were 2 teams from Sulya, KVG Sulya. 1 team from AJ Institute of Medical Sciences. I would like to thank the HOD, Dr. Balachandra Shetty. Then from Father Muller's Medical College, how many teams? 5 teams. I would like to thank Professor Dr. Roshan for sending 5 teams. And I think Yenappaya Medical College had one team. I would like to thank Professor Dr. Mukhtar. And then we had KMC Mangalore. I would like to thank Professor Dr. Satish Rao. There were 2 teams, I think, no? 1 team. So this was the total 60 teams from all over. And this quiz was a Kahoot mobile app based quiz, which is the fairest system of quizzing, because every team gets equal chances and there's no negative marks. Each question there is 30 seconds to answer and no negative marks, and the computer judges who answers the earliest and gets the prize. I would like to thank also Rotarian Yam Vasanta Malya. You can accept an you can please accept a pen from our chairman for the help rendered in covering this event. This event will be covered very well in the local media and the papers. I would like to render, okay, this quiz will go on. This quiz will be both the PG quiz which was held recently and the UG quiz will be conducted very religiously down the years. I would request all the HODs and all the students to continue participating in the quiz. The best team may win, but that's not important. Like I mentioned many times, Baron Coubertin mentioned, the founder of the modern Olympics, said, it is not winning that's important, it's participation that's important. I thank all the participating teams for participating very well, and we will go on in the program. Thank you.
I would now like to invite Professor Dr. Shanawaz Manipadi, Dean of Kanachur Institute of Medical Science, to the stage to share a few words with us.
Dr. Mohammad Ismail and Dr. Venkat Rai Prabhu sir, Dr. Devdas Rai, Department of Medicine, members of the press, participants, students, good morning. Today's quiz takes me down the memory lane in those years when we were teenagers. We used to watch this quiz program in the Doordarshan. Dr. Narottam Puri, ENT specialist, everyone remembers him. Another person I remember is our Siddharth Basu, who's a pioneer of this Kaun Banega Crorepati. And I would say our Dr. Devdas Rai is both of them put in one together. His enthusiasm in comparing this quiz program is it's a thing to behold. It gives so much happiness to him. I think you all are very well acquainted with that. And it is a joy to watch him during these days. I always tell him, this is, that PG quiz also on the pipeline. It is like I tell him, it is Dr. Devdas Rai's Sammelana. Always I tell him like that. Okay, it's coming. I mean, as if every 6 months I feel like that. Anyhow, regarding the participants, welcome to our institution, and I really appreciate your overwhelming participation. And this is kind of quiz program is an introspection, like how much we know, how much we have assimilated, how well we can reproduce whatever we have acquired all these years. And definitely you will go wiser while going from here, and maybe your way of approaching the subject itself will be different. Anyway, have a nice time, good day, and Jai Hind.
ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮು ಅಲೈಕುಂ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. UG KIMS, ಇದು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಇಸ್ಮಾಯಿಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ರೈ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿನ ಪಾಠ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸು, ಅವರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬದ್ಧತೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಿಝಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅದು 1-2 ಸಲದಿಂದಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಿಝಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನೇ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅವರು ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಈ ಆಟೋಟ ಲೆಸನ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಕ್ವಿಝಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯುವ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯವೂ ಗುರುಗಳು ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅನೇಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದಲೂ ಮಿಗಿಲಾಗಿ ಅದೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರ ಸಂಘ ಕಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನಾಗ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅನೇಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಈ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಅನೇಕ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಮಹತ್ತರ ಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರದ ಹಿರಿಯ ಅನುಭವಿ, ಅದು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರುಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಹಸನಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಥ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಕ್ವಿಝಿನಂತಹದ್ದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ನಾನೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳೋದುಂಟು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ನನಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ಮಾತು, ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಥ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೀಗ ಸುಮಾರು 80 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗಲೂ ಬೆಡ್ಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರದು. ಅವರ ಒಂದು 25 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಮಾತು. ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳುವವರು, ಅವರು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ, ದಾರಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದವರೆಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾನ್ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವರಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ವಿಲಿಯಂ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡವನು ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಲಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೇತುವೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೊಳೆ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈಗ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೀಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆದರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ಯಾವ ಬಿಡ್ಜು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ದಾರಿ, ಎಂಥದ್ದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಿಝಿನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೇ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ದಾರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ HODಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Prize distribution, I would request Dr. Preetham, senior resident in the Department of Medicine, to accept a token of appreciation from the chairman. He is the one who has prepared the questions. Dr. Preetham, please. Sir.
Please, Shazia Mariam and Fatima from Kanachur Institute of Medical Science. Praise goes to KMC Manipal, Adarsh and Siddharth Nanda. Congrats. Thank you for guiding us through this exciting competition and for your inspiring words. To all our participants, congratulations on your exceptional performance. Your hard work and dedication have made this competition truly memorable. Once again, I would like to thank you everyone in involving and making this event a success. Our judges, participants, organizers, sponsors and audience, your collective effort have made it today a memorable one. We look forward to seeing you at the future events. Until then, thank you and